Oh yeah, those are nice size.
You sure you don't want them?
Thank you so much. Well, I'll be darned. We ended up with some fish anyway. We don't catch no fish. I'm seriously thinking it might be time to give this whole fishing thing up. Okay.
I like what I like. I like what I like. I like what I like. I like what I like.
Hey y'all, how's it going? So today I'm gonna make some turkey brine because we're gonna do turkey legs. We're gonna smoke them in the grill. So what I'm gonna do first is make some brine so I can show you guys how this is done. The recipe, as far as the ingredients I use, dark brown sugar, kosher salt, vegetable broth, and vegetable bouillon. Now, what I done with the vegetable bouillon is actually 6 cubes in here. It's 6 cubes in here, and the ratio is 2 cups of water per cube. So I've already boiled the water, and here's my bouillon right here. So this is already ready to go. So what I'm gonna do first is give it a good stir. It's gonna change all that stuff that's floating around in the top. We're gonna get all that and change it so it'll actually dissolve into the water. Give that a quick little stir. Now we're gonna start making the brine. Here we go. Okay, so now we're gonna add the ingredients for the brine and get the brine going. First, we're gonna add the vegetable broth. Okay. Now we're gonna add the vegetable bouillon. We have 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of kosher salt, a tablespoon of allspice. Now we're gonna just bring that to a boil. Watch out, get out of the way. Okay, so now that we got that boiling, I'm gonna put a little cracked peppercorn in there, just a little bit. I say a little bit, but I'm just gonna keep twisting until I think I got about as much as I want. Okay, we got that in there. So what you wanna do is stir it. By stirring it, you're gonna make sure everything is dissolved. We're gonna turn that down. Now that we got a good boil going, make sure everything is dissolved in there. And what we're gonna do, now that it's all dissolved and everything is good to go, I'm gonna just put it to the side and let it cool. And then I'll show you what we're doing next. Okay, so we had this soaking overnight in the refrigerator. Now, the reason why we soak this, because you don't want to put this in there on the turkey while it's hot, because it'll start to cook it. So we had it soaking, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pour that brine in here after it's been soaking overnight. Okay. What we're gonna do is take these turkey legs, we're gonna just set these on top of the brine, like that. More than some big old turkey legs, look at that. But anyway, we're gonna set these over here like this. Put a little cold water on it. Okay, so we put a little cold water in here, and now what we're gonna do is just let it set in the refrigerator for about 24 hours, and tomorrow I'm gonna throw it on the grill. There you have it.
Oh my goodness, that fish smells so bomb. And we got the music playing. It smells like a juke joint up in here. Juke joint vibes going on.
Fried fish on it.
Although I don't need no fried fish, but yeah.
Wait a minute. No, I didn't go in.
What are you, solids?
I'm solid, yeah.
The pool game's over. Phillip scratched. He got down to the last ball. He had to get the black ball in. He was winning, but then he ended up scratching. He got the black ball and the white ball in at the same time. So we're done. We're gonna hang out a little bit, chill, have us a little date night at home. You know what I'm saying? We thanks for coming to the Coco and Phil Juke Joint. Okay, we had a little fried fish. Played a little pool. Now we're getting ready to have us a little adult beverages and chill for the rest of the night. So okay, we got us some. Ooh, my goodness! Ooh, them smoked turkey legs look delicious. Oh my goodness! Oh my! Oh my!
Yeah, I've been smoking them since about 6:30 this morning.
Oh my goodness! 6:30 this morning.
Yeah, and I got my heat box over here and just letting it smoke.
Oh yeah. That's gonna be good. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Mm-hmm.
And then I got my base right here, which is just butter and honey.
Butter and honey.
Melted
Ooh.
butter and honey, that's all it is. I put
Mm.
that on there for added flavor.
That's gonna be good.
Here in a little bit, I'll just wrap them up and then just let them completely cook the core inside.
So our sister Flory gave us a cabbage straight out of her garden. I wish I would have showed y'all how it looked before Phillip cut it up, but ooh man, it was a huge, nice cabbage. Okay, well they've been on the grill since 7 this morning, and right now it is about 4:30. So he basting them again. They were wrapped in foil, and he's gonna put them back on the grill.
This is honey and butter again to finish out the flavor.
Ooh, and he cooked it in some peach wood that we got from Poto. Ooh, look how tender that turkey meat is. Just falling off the bone. You outdid yourself, babe. Phillip is making some of his broccoli souffle. He just boiled a couple of stalks of fresh broccoli.
Yes.
This right here, y'all, it may not be very healthy. Well, it has broccoli, so the broccoli is healthy. I'm talking about all the cheese, but it is so good. It's with broccoli, cheese, and roteo. Delicious. That's one of Phillip's dishes. One of Phillip's world famous dishes. So good. Hey, y'all. Happy Sunday. You gonna say hi, Phillip?
What's up, y'all?
Phillip is a little upset, y'all, because we supposed to been going fishing today. Well, we are on our way going fishing, but he wanted to go earlier. But I was trying to braid my hair, y'all. Okay, I've been working on my hair for 2 days. Still didn't get to finish it, but I was trying to braid my hair. So as women, y'all know how that goes. He don't understand. He wanted to go fishing, so we're off to a late start, but we're still going fishing. All right. But anyway, we're headed to Pensacola to see if we get us some fishing in. We haven't been having no luck on the fishing, y'all. So hopefully we're going to go back to our old stomping grounds. Oh, that sun is in my face. Go to our old stomping grounds and see if we can get some fishing in.
Yeah, a late start.
Whatever, Phillip.
But we'll make it do what it do.
Yeah, we will. As long as we catch some fish. Now, if we don't catch no fish, then, he got a reason to be a little upset.
If we don't catch no fish, I'm blaming it on her.
Yeah, well, you can blame me. That's okay. You can blame
No, it's
me.
all good. We're going to see what's going to happen. Get out here and go get some shrimp and see what's going on. So we'll be all right.
Yeah, I put that stuff on my face to protect my face from the sun, and it got my eyes just burning because I guess some got into my eyes. But we did go by the trailer, and the smell is out, y'all.
The smell is gone.
Phillip went in there. You said it smelled like...
No, it smelled like that peppermint oil you was using, that infused peppermint oil.
Mm-hmm.
When you first walked in there, in the beginning, you got a whiff of stank. But now when you walk in there, you get just a slight smell of peppermint, and it smells pleasant, so we're good. We're good for now.
Okay, so we good, y'all. So we about to get on over here and get some fishing in, and we'll holler at y'all when we get to the fishing hole. All right?
Yeah.
Peace out. His old hard head. Well, he caught some. I know it's a good feeling just to have something on the pole.
Yeah.
He's waiting too.
Hell yeah, he got that.
He was waiting. That's what he was waiting for. Now he gone. Now he gone. That's what he was waiting for.
That's all I wanted was a fish.
Yeah.
You probably knew you were gonna get me one.
Yeah. What's that?
That is a pinfish.
Oh, that felt good though. First one in the bucket. I got the first one in the bucket.
Yeah, you did.
All right, we got number 3 for the bucket. Number 3 for the bucket. We back catching fish. Guess we just need to come over to Big Lagoon, our old stomping grounds. Look at him. Look at him trying to steal the fish. This beautiful sunset. Just out here doing a little fishing at Big Lagoon State Park. We actually did pretty good. We've caught about 5, but look at this. It's a jellyfish. I want to help them and put them back in the water, but I'm scared that it might sting me. I think they're poisonous. Ooh, that's something nice. What is that? What is that? Oh, nice. Nice. That's a mangrove, ain't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Some kind of snapper. Ooh, doggy. Sorry, you can't have that one, buddy. Can't have that one. Look at that beautiful sunset. Gorgeous. That was right on time. Ooh, yes. That's good eating right there. I'm a little greasy right now, y'all. I hadn't even been recording. We done caught about 4 or 5 fish. So we've discovered that that's probably the problem. The reason why we haven't been catching any fish is because I'll be pulling the camera out too soon. So from now on, we're not pulling the camera out. We're just gonna fish, okay? That sunset is gorgeous. I haven't even finished braiding my hair. Phillip wanted to come fishing. So we out here doing what we do. We done put about 5 of them in the bucket. Let me go ahead and put my camera down, and the big ones is coming through, y'all. See y'all in a little bit. Phillip on fire. We done found a honey hole. Ooh, what's that? Oh, well, can't keep that one. Okay, y'all, I'm about to jump in the shower. I done already lost braid, y'all. Just started braiding my hair now, and I already lost the braid. And I'm gonna blame Phillip because he had me out there sweating today. I know this wasn't a long vlog, but I appreciate y'all for hanging out with us. I really just wanted y'all to see that fishing. You know, I really didn't pick up the camera until after we caught some fish. But anyway, we had fun. We had a good time. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank y'all for hanging out with us. Phillip's outside getting everything out of the car. But I just wanted to say good night. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. We want to get to that 10K, y'all. So subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. I will see y'all in the next video and also in the comments. All right. Peace out.